In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn off Face ID for Apple Pay or Wallet. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Settings. Then scroll down until you find the Face ID and the passcode. Then it will prompt you to enter your device's passcode. Just do it. And on that screen you can easily find Wallet and Apple Pay feature. As you can see, it's turned on now, and if you want to turn it off, just hit at that button. Now it says that if you turn this off, you will not be able to access certain cards and passes in Wallet that require Face ID to use. If you are satisfied with that, just click at Continue. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my iPhone tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.